First, ensure your TV is set to the correct HDMI input. This is often the cause of no signal errors. Use your TV remote to select the proper input, such as HDMI 1 or HDMI 2, where your Spectrum cable box is connected. Next, inspect the HDMI cable for any physical damage. Look for bent pins, corrosion, or wear on the connectors. These issues can prevent the signal from transmitting properly. Try unplugging the HDMI cable from both the Spectrum cable box and your TV, then firmly replug it. Loose connections can cause signal issues, and this simple step often resolves the problem. If you have access to another HDMI cable, try testing with a different one. A faulty cable is a common cause of no signal issues. Spectrum recommends using high-speed HDMI 2.0 or 2.1 cables, especially for 4K content. Finally, power cycle both devices. Unplug the TV and cable box from power for about 30 seconds, then plug them back in. This forces a re-handshake between the devices and can resolve many HDMI signal issues. If basic checks don't resolve the HDMI no signal issue, the problem might be resolution settings. Spectrum cable boxes often default to 1080p 60 Hz, which may not match your TV's optimal settings. Access your Spectrum cable box menu using the menu button on your remote. Navigate to Settings, then Video, and finally Resolution. Adjust the resolution to match your TV's specifications. For a 4K TV, ensure the box outputs 4K. Keep in mind that older boxes like the SA4250 or Cisco 3941 might have compatibility issues with newer TVs. Ensure your Spectrum cable box has the latest firmware. Outdated firmware can cause HDMI handshake failures. While Spectrum usually updates firmware automatically, contact their support to confirm you have the latest version. As a last resort, bypass any splitters or adapters and connect the cable box directly to the TV to eliminate potential signal interference.